to deal with this. Now, in this video, I want us to deal with this finding the general solution of such a differential equation here. So whenever you do several, there is where you get practice and you find it very easy to defeat them always. So how do you deal with this one? If you look at this one keenly, you can't quickly separate variables. So if you can't quickly separate variables, and also you can't use linear differential equations, here they don't work. So what do we go for? It's homogeneous. So homogeneous tells us that you begin by dividing through with the highest power. So rewriting this, our xy, this is our differential equation, dy by dx, which is equal to x power 2 minus y power 2. We divide through with x with the highest power. So divide through with x with the highest power, x with the highest power, x with the highest power. So when we divide through with x with the highest power, we end up having this as y out of x dy dx is equal to 1 minus y out of x everything squared. But remember, homogeneous tells us that you let y equal to ux here, and when you make a u the subject here, u becomes y out of x. So wherever there is y out of x, we shall put u. However, it also tells us that you go ahead and differentiate this y. So when you differentiate this y, you'll have dy by dx equal to u into 1 plus x du dx. So this eventually becomes u plus x du dx. Now after having this, we are going to substitute it where there is dy by. After having this, we are going to substitute it where there is dy by dx. So substituting it back, where there is y out of x, we replace it with u. So here we shall have u, dy by dx is now this. So we shall have u into u plus x du dx is equal to 1 minus u squared. Yeah, 1 minus u squared, if you clearly see this. Now we can go ahead and expand. We can expand this to being u square plus ux du dx is equal to 1 minus u squared. Yeah, if that is true, we can take this side. So to have ux du dx is equal to 1 minus u square minus u square. Now when you simplify this, it gives us negative 2. So we shall end up having u of x du dx is equal to 1 minus 2u square. Now having it like that, we can go ahead and say that collecting like terms together, so we can have a u out of 1 minus 2u square du is actually equal to 1 out of x dx. That is separating variables. You have separated variables here. So when you separate variables quickly like that, you go ahead and integrate on both sides. So you integrate on both sides. When you integrate on both sides, so you clearly see this is ln x. Yeah, this one is ln x. Now when we deal with this side here, this one is not obvious, even when we know it's not obvious. So we let, for example, let t equal to 1 minus 2u squared. Now when you differentiate t with respect to u, you'll have negative 4u. So you can make du the subject. When you make du the subject, you'll have dt out of negative 4u. So you can put this here. So you'll have the integral of u out of t times dt out of negative 4u is equal to, this one is ln of x plus, now the c can be ln k, yeah, because it's a constant. Ln k is also a constant. Now this goes with this, so remain with the integral negative 1 out of 4 of 1 out of t dt is equal to ln of kx, yeah, kx. So this one is negative 1 out of 4 ln of t is equal to ln of kx. So putting back, we can put back this, we have negative 1 out of 4 ln of our t. Our t was 1 minus 2u square, which is equal to ln of kx. Now we can put back u, so when we put back u, we shall have negative 1 out of 4 ln of 1 minus, put u here, u is y out of x. So we shall have 2y square out of x square is equal to ln kx, yeah. Now when this negative 1 out of 4 goes up there, we can have ln of, now since it is a negative, we can use the indice rule. Okay, before we use it, this is 1 minus 2y square out of x square power negative 1 out of 4 is equal to ln kx, yeah. So we can simplify this further. So when we simplify that further, remember it is ln of 1 minus 2y square out of x square power negative 1 out of 4 is equal to ln kx, yeah. So therefore, if you look at this is ln, therefore 1 minus 2y square out of x square power negative 1 out of 4 is actually equal to kx, yeah. So you can get the LCM inside. When you get the LCM inside, you shall have x square minus 2y square out of x square power negative 1 out of 4 is equal to kx. Now, since the negative power to deal with the negative power is the reciprocal, so this is x square out of x square minus 2y square power 1 out of 4 is actually equal to k of x. As simple as this, now you have defeated the number. Some people may even go further and you simplify it further, but here you have already defeated the number. So therefore, this is our general solution. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching my videos. Share, like and comment. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. We meet in the next.